Hi guys. Millie, don't cry. Sorry. What's the matter? Remember when I was sitting in here in my last fashion haul telling you guys I threw my diet to the wind? I had a Shake Shack double bacon cheeseburger and I enjoyed it and I didn't regret it. I came home that day and I have a new extra. It's called an extra anniversary present. He had the nerve to say, come and see what my extra anniversary present is. Come on. Just really can't make it up. What my lovely husband bought me. An in-house treadmill in my living room. I got flowers too, but I need my glasses to turn it on. He told me the arrow, saw it?
Mm-hmm.
It's not doing nothing. This is the power. Oh, already it don't work. Tell me what to do.
Try it.
How? Oh, it's a countdown. Oh, here we go. How fast can it go? Oh, you have it on remote completely? Oh, yeah, look. This is to protect me. Look. It's going faster. It's kind of quiet, so, you know, I'm a little annoyed, but, you know, I guess the diet's back on. I don't have any shoes on. I just wanted to share my wonderful gift with you all.
What's the make, man?
Huh? Oh, this is a
Deer run.
See how much I love it? This is a deer run. What, I don't know any model, what you bought or what anything. You put it together?
No.
It
Comes
like
all
this?
complete.
Even this up piece?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, but don't these fold away and go under the bed or something? I saw it on Facebook.
Well, they do fall. It falls down.
This, oh. You have to hold on just like anyone. This is operates, I guess, just like a regular, because it feels just like the one in the gym in Florida. I gotta say, guys, not for nothing, I'm not too pissed, really. I had asked for this in the past, but then they didn't get it for me for the 5 months we've been here, so I kind of gave up, and I gave up the diet. But somebody must have been eavesdropping in my fashion shopping mall haul.
You mentioned it a month ago. Not
Liar.
when we first got up here.
What I like about this, I can put my tablet here and see my people. All right, guys, wish me luck. The diet's back on.